Hey everyone, I am Taylor Swift and I'm doing a tutorial on Minecraft Education Edition. So first off, you're going to see that you've got your play settings and quick play. And then you've also got your customizer. So this is what you dress or you want to customize your character as. So you can choose from all of these characters and whichever one you want to use. So I chose the doctor just because my dad's a doctor, so I guess that works. And then in settings, you'll see, so it'll show like the keyboard and the mouse settings, the controller settings if you're playing with a controller, or touch settings if you have a touch screen available. Since I don't have either of these, I'm going to stick with the keyboard and mouse settings. Now the sensitivity, you can move that up and down, but I tend to keep it like around the middle just because I don't like mine super sensitive, but I don't like mine really not sensitive because then it doesn't respond to me moving around and looking around as quickly as I would like for it to. So you also have these settings right here, and then these are the settings where you can choose what keys on your keyboard you would like to pick for everything. So you can use the space bar to jump and fly, and then sprint is control, walk backwards is, so it's WASD, and W is to walk forward, A is to walk to the left, D is to walk to the right, and S is to go backwards. And you're also going to want to pay attention to the E key because that is where you keep all of your supplies, and you can choose how to build stuff with those supplies that you'll find if you click on E. So now we are going to go, and then there's other preferences, and there's like audio, global resources, language, how to play. So the how to play just shows you what to do. So like I said, use the mouse to look around, use WASD to move around, and the space bar to jump. Now I do not play on survival mode, but there's different modes. You can do creative or survival. I'm choosing creative because I'm going to show you guys how to build some stuff that's pretty cool. But first, I'm going to hit play, and then I'm going to create a new world. It will load. Here we go. So we can do, there's a Minecraft tutorial template, code builder tutorial, chemistry tutorial, blocks of grass tutorial, and a town template. Or that's not a tutorial, my bad. So the blocks of grass template is a completely open template. So I will go ahead and show you guys in this. So you can choose, I'm going to do creative. There's survival, creative, and adventure, but I'm going to do creative. And I want it to be peaceful. Easy, normal, and hard. So those will be levels where you'll have people who, and like different creatures and stuff who will come and try to attack you, but I'm also in creative mode, so we're not gonna do that. You're gonna hit create. Here we go. So now it's generating the world. All right, and here we are in blocks of grass. So what I'm gonna do, so there's an open world, and you'll see animals, so I'll look up with my mouse, and I can see there's literally nothing in sight except for animals. So we can walk up and see what we have. So we've got cows and chickens. And then, oh, I don't want to punch him. Oh yes, so then if you're using a mouse, the left side of the mouse is used to punch and destroy things, and the right side is to build things. So now I'm gonna hit E. All the items that I have would be in here, E. After you hit E, you can look around and see what you have in your inventory. And you have a bunch of stuff for building specifically because it's Minecraft, so you're gonna build a lot, hopefully. And you're gonna just scroll around, and I'm just looking around. So we've got plants, we've got food like carrots, melons, enchanted apple, wheat, beetroot seeds. And then we keep going and we can spawn animals. So there's a polar bear, wolf, sheep, pig, you name it. And then you keep going and you get down to helmet, which is more like equipment. And you can use all these to build and destroy things as well, or people or characters. Um, and then that's also just like food right there, is cooked chicken and all that fun stuff. Um, and then you've got potions of healing, water breathing, all these fun things if you're in creative or adventure, but peaceful mode, I'm not going to use that stuff. And then you keep going through and you've got beds, you've got a bunch of stuff, and you can create it all. And then we've got the table of elements. That's more for like chemistry mode on here, but we're not going to do that. And yeah, we've got fireworks and we've got fire stars. So this is our inventory. This is what our inventory looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on whatever you would like to build. So I'll just build a simple house. So we'll do, I like the birchwood planks. So I'll drag and drop that. And then I'll get some stairs going and a fence. And I think I'd like brick walls. So I'm going to do brick walls. And then I'm going to want windows. So I will do those. And then I can scroll around and I want to have some plants. So I'll do birch sapling. And I'll do, I like the sunflower. I'll do a sunflower. And I will also, what else? Oh, I'll get some pigs. And you know what? Why not? I'll put a polar bear in there. Let's see what happens. So now that I'm done taking out my inventory, I exit. And then I go ahead and start the building process.